topic of discussion for today is harmonic mean. So we learned three sequences in mathematics: arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, harmonic sequence, and then arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and then harmonic mean. Today is our topic, and arithmetic series, geometric series, and our harmonic series. So what is harmonic mean? A number h is said to be the harmonic mean between two numbers a and b if a, h and b are in harmonic progression, either harmonic sequence. So what does it mean? If we are given two numbers a and b, so a number h will be called harmonic mean if these three numbers make a harmonic sequence, harmonic progression. So formula for finding the harmonic mean between two numbers, if we are given a and b, then this formula is used for finding the harmonic between two numbers. H is harmonic mean 2 into the given two numbers multiplied by a multiplied by b divided by a plus b, the given two numbers. Let's take an example. If we are given two numbers 3 and 7, harmonic mean between 3 and 7 is, how do we find the harmonic mean between these two numbers? If 3 is A and 7 is B, then that will be, this is the formula, 2 into A is 3, B is 7, and A plus B, 3 plus 7 is equal to 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 7, 42 over 3 plus 7, 10, and it is 21 by 5. What does it mean? 21 over 5 is the harmonic mean between these two numbers 3 and 7. Now taken another example, it is one more question. So in this first example, we have to find only one harmonic mean between these two numbers. Now question is, insert four harmonic means between these two numbers, 1 over 3 and 1 over 20. So if we take the reciprocals of these two numbers, 3 over 1 and 23 over 1, 3 and 23. So those two numbers, we will take those two numbers 3 and 23. Let A1, A2, A3 and A4 be four arithmetic means between 3 and 23. Directly we cannot find the harmonic means between these two numbers. So we will take the reciprocal of these two numbers and we will find four arithmetic means between these two numbers, and at the end we will take the reciprocal of all these numbers. So these four numbers will become the four harmonic means between 1 over 3 and 1 over 23. Let A1, A2, A3 and A4 be four harmonic arithmetic means between 3 and 23. That is, now 3, A1, A2, A3, A4 and 23 are in arithmetic progression. If these are, this by definition, if we are inserting four arithmetic means between these two numbers 3 and 23, so this sequence 3, A1, A2, A3, A4 and 23, that will become a arithmetic sequence, either arithmetic progression. So what is this? This is the general term formula for finding the general term of the arithmetic sequence. An is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 into D. So now we have to find the second term of this sequence, A1. Second term means A2 we have to find. So what is A1? A1 is the first term is called of the sequence. First term of the sequence is called A1. The value of A1 is 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sixth term is 23. Value of sixth term is 23. So if we take A6, yani means value of 6, n is 6. A6, that is 23, is equal to A1, that is the first term, plus n minus 1. N minus means 6 minus 1. We took this, and the value of n is 6 into D. So 6 minus 1, that will become 5, 5d. 23 minus 3, that will become 20, and divided by that 5. So finally we got the value of d, which is 4 now. So in arithmetic sequence, if we multiply this 3 with this 4, sorry, not multiply, if we add this 4, which is the value of d, which is called common difference, if we add this 4 in this number 3, so we will get the next term a1. So a1 is equal to 3 plus 4 becomes 7. So it is the value of a1. So if we add the same number 4 in this a1, we will get the value of a2. So a2 is this 7 plus 4, we got 11. This is the value of a2. And if we want the need the value of a3, so we will add 4. The same common difference in this a2, we will get the value of a3. a3 is 11 plus 4, 15. And similarly, in the same way, we found the value of a4, that is 15 plus 4. So this is 7, 11, 15, and this 19. These are 4 arithmetic means between this 3 and 23. But we need 4 harmonic means between 1 by 3 and 1 by 23. So 1 over 7, this was a1. So 1 over 7, 1 over 11, reciprocal of these numbers, they will become 4 harmonic means between these two numbers, 1 by 3 and 1 by 23. Since we cannot find the four harmonic means between these two numbers, so we took the help of arithmetic means to find those numbers. At the end, we took the reciprocal of those numbers, and they became the harmonic means between these two numbers. Thank you.